Hi guys, good evening once again. The next lock that I will pick is a Euro cylinder, a half Euro cylinder, actually a snapper, that was pinned by Crispey Bear, and it's called Norman Osborne, the Grain Goblin. And that's the key. So you can't get any more worse than that. The lock does work. Very small. You need a little bit to move the key a little bit, but it does work. And yeah, no idea about the brand. It's unbranded. So let's have a look if we can pick the Green Goblin. So one, give me a small rotation on the core. Two, okay, give me a small click. Three, nothing. The rest nothing. Okay, let's see. Two. Yeah, that was two. Three. Give me a click. Four. Five, not one. Two. One. One. Let's change picks. I think maybe I need to reach something else. There we go, that was number 3. 2, nothing, 1, nothing. So starting on the black again. 5. Two, now 1, one click, okay, 4, 5, 5, I got a default set just now. And open. Number 2. Cool. So the Green Goblin was defeated, this time not by the Spider-Man. Yeah, see clip again, I knew it. Let's have a look. So I will lock it up because I have the key, and I will force myself in. Okay, self-respecting hobgoblin. There we go. C clip is out, thank god, that was not as hard. And my key, here's the key. Oh, okay. Well, turns out I don't really need the key. Let's push the pins a little bit so that I can turn the core slightly. Or maybe not. Right, so this is done. That should be okay like that, and there we go. So 5 pins, let's put them here, and here is the tray, and my tweezers. So starting from the front, standard, homemade serrated with 1 serration, and really pretty spool serrated pin. Oops. Okay, that's a serrated T-pin with a wafer, so drunken serrated spool. Okay. And the last one is a very deep spool. Cool, really nice. And I can see that the springs are also different because they're on different levels, so he used also different springs. Let's see what we have on the core. Serrated spool type, another spool, another serrated, and so 1 serration. Let's have a look what is here, what is being, all of them as far as I can see are serrated. Really cool. So let's see, what do we have here? Zoom in a little bit more. There we go. So you can see here that we have a serrated key pin, another, this one is actually a spool, yeah. This is a serrated spool type key pin, not serrated, homemade, standard, okay, this should be the other way, like that. This one I have no idea how I would put it. I would personally put it with the serrations up. This is the drunken serrated T-pin thing, really cool, and a very thin spool, really well made. Okay, Crispey Bear, thank you very much for making this vlog. Potty, thank you very much for sending it my way, and that was a really fun pick. So guys, thanks for watching and keep it Lego. I will see you in the next video.